Hello, you are highly welcome to another special topic. Broiler weight boosters, molasses versus eco bio boost comparison. This is eco bio boost. This is our own product. You see it, this is eco bio boost. This is a wonderful probiotic that is making difference in poultry and livestock farming this season. I'm going to give you the comparison of the two because many farmers are asking, what is molasses? What is this? What is this? So in this particular video, I'm going to answer your questions. Every poultry farmer wants one thing: fast growing, heavy broilers that convert feed into meat efficiently. In the search for natural and affordable weight boosters, two popular options have come into focus: molasses and ecobio boost. This video explores the comparison of both boosters. What are they? What is ecobio booster? What is molasses? How do they help in broiler weight gain and growth? Which one works better and faster? Many farmers are asking me these questions. So let's dive into the 15 key comparison points to help you decide the best booster for your broilers. Number one, origin first. Molasses is a thick, dark byproduct of sugarcane processing. When they are using sugarcane to process sugar, the waste, the byproduct of it is molasses. It is just a residue from the factory. Why ecobio boost, which is what I have here right away? Let me keep it here. Why ecobio boost is a fermented organic growth enhancer made with herbs, minerals, and natural biostimulants to boost the immunity and growth of your poultry and livestock animals in a fastest time. It is a stimulant. Now, nutritional values. Molasses. Molasses is rich in sugar, energy, iron, potassium, and calcium. While organic booster is also rich in sugar, energy, iron, potassium, and calcium, and also contains vitamins, amino acids, natural enzymes, immune boosters, and growth hormones. You can see it has what molasses has, and at the same time have different additional vitamins and minerals which molasses doesn't have. Number three, energy boosting ability. Now listen, the molasses is very high in carbohydrates, gives birds instant energy. The molasses is also rich in carbohydrates, gives birth instant energy, at the same time, in addition, supports steady and balanced energy with additional nutrients. You can see. Now, immune support. Molasses mind immune support through iron and calcium. It is only the iron and calcium content of molasses that can help in immune support. But now, listen to the ecobio boost. Ecobio boost is strong immune support from herbal extracts and antioxidants. Here you have garlic, here you have ginger, here you have turmeric, here you have bitter leaf extract, here you have neem extract, here you have other plants. Bitter kola extract are here. You have many. Ash is here. Charcoal extract is here, and many plant extracts that you never even imagine. Castus alpha, blood leaf, hospitalis tufa, and many of them. Over 599 herbal plants are built here to get this particular ecobio boost. Whereas the molasses is just an extract from the sugar plant alone. That is sugar processing plant. That's all. Now, this has antioxidants that help in digestion of feed and feed oxidation, that help your broiler to gain a lot from their feed they are consuming. Now, let's feed conversion ratio, FCR. Molasses improve feed palatability, leading to slightly better feed conversion ratio because it has aromatic smells. Now, let me tell you, the ecobooster improves feed palatability also, leading to high feed conversion ratio. In addition, actively enhances feed digestion and absorption, and significantly increasing and improving feed conversion ratio. You can see now, this one is superb, and that one is under growth rate. The growth achieved. Now, molasses actually, before I went into research and production of this, I used to use molasses because molasses is one of the best organic you can use before this arrival of this particular ecoboost. Now, molasses encourages moderate growth by increasing appetite. That's the means to which it increases the appetite of the poultry base to eat better. But now, listen to the ecoboost. Ecoboost promotes faster and more consistent growth through the extract from all these organic plants. Now, appetite stimulation. Molasses is naturally sweet, increases feed intake, yes. While ecoboost stimulates hunger using herbal appetite enhancers. You can see the difference here now. And that one is cost. Molasses cost cheap and widely available. Yes, it's globally available and it's cheaper. Ecoboost is not cheap, it cannot be cheap, and can never be cheap. It can never be cheaper than 55k for 5 liters. But molasses can be cheaper. Ecoboost usually give via through water and mixed into their feed also more precisely, depending on the type of animal you are rearing also. Availability, yes, this is where molasses will beat this one now. We beat with boss, we beat ecoboost now. This is where it's going to beat. Now, under availability, molasses easily found in local markets and sugar industries globally. You can see it. This ecoboost is from us alone. You cannot see this alone. You can't see it from anywhere. Ecoboost must come from us, and we send it directly to you. It is well protected. You can see, even to uncork it is difficult. You see, it cannot leak. It's leak proof. It's very tight. I can't even open it. It must you that will open it. See, very tight. It is well sealed. Very powerful. It is professionally prepared for poultry farmers. It is professionally prepared by a farmer to fellow poultry farmers. You know what it means? A farmer produce products that will be used by poultry farmers also. You know that there is no way a farmer will cheat other poultry farmers. You are getting the maximum benefit. This is what we use, and this is what we produce for ourselves. And we will not decide to mass produce it for you to get the massive result. So to get the same thing we are enjoying from this product. You can see it now. Now, another point. Ecoboost balances gut health and reduces smelly and watery droppings. If you're using ecoboost, you can sit and eat in your poultry pen. You can even sleep. If you want to sleep, you can even lay your mat on the floor of your poultry pen and sleep. This woman is rearing her broilers, 50 broiler beds inside provision store, and nobody knows, no customer ever say smell any foul smell. Watch her video. You have seen her video inside the provision store. She's rearing this, so nobody smells anything. It is very safe and sound. The environment smells nice. Nobody knows that there is chicken there. You only hear the noise of chicken. That's all. For smell, nobody. That's why they were even asking her, Madam, how we used to know that poultry farms used to smell. Why is this one not smelling? She now showed them this is ecoboost I'm using. She's selling. She's a distributor in Abana. She's the one distributing in Abana zone. So, but she says costly than us because she bought at the same rate you are buying, and she will add money and sell. She want to buy, and she don't say 5 liters. She only cut them into small units and sell to them also. We are giving her that permission to do that also. Now, shelf life. How long molasses how long molasses last? Molasses have long life if kept sealed. Ecoboost also have up to 4 years because it has natural preservative inside. This preservative is made from extract from natural plants. It's not chemical preservative that harm poultry birds. No, this is natural preservative. You can see it. Very wonderful. Now, ecoboost will expire at least after. Let me tell you one thing. Ecoboost does not expire. If before it expires, tell us. We are going to tell you what to add inside. It will not expire again. It doesn't have any expiring date. Ecoboost because it's probiotic. What happens is that after 4 years, there is something you add inside it. We'll tell you what to add inside. Once you add it, it will preserve it for the next 4 years again. That means you can use it, and there's no how under 4 years you have not finished using this. Even if you are rearing 10 birds every week, you finish it within 4 years. Now, overall health benefit is another one. Molasses is good energy source and mineral support also. While ecoboost is comprehensive growth, immunity, metabolism, and stress controller. You can see how wonderful it is. Now, best use time. Molasses is useful during stress and energy need period, while ecoboost is ideally throughout the growth cycle, especially during early and final weight gain phases of poultry and livestock animals. You can use it from beginning till the end. Are you a poultry farmer? What are you waiting for? This is only 55,000 naira. That's all. If you're buying from your own locality, convert the naira to your own local currency and buy it. This is 5 liters. That is 5,000 milligram for 55,000 naira. You pay for your way bill and we send it to your location. Send us message on WhatsApp. Then you get this. You can see how powerful this is. See how those that are reading it. Google testimonies all over. Make sure you are keeping adequate biosecurity and use it on daily, just like tea for poultry and livestock animals. It serves as food, also serves as medication. It protects the birds. It does more of protection, so the birds will not contact infection, because I'm very good in protection. I don't like treatment. That's why my birds are always sound. Because once you start treating birds, when they have infection, you start treating them. During the period of that treatment, they will continue losing weight. To regain that weight will be very difficult for them also. Both molasses and ecoboost have their place in poultry farming. Note this. Molasses is cheap, energy rich, and appetite boosting. A good starter or stress reliever, while ecoboost is powerful, all-in-one organic boosting plants and extracts that support growth and immunity and weight gain more comprehensively and give you maximum results in short period of time. The best result you get is using ecoboost instead of molasses. You can if you are using molasses, you can still use ecoboost. There's no harm at all. Even in our farm here, we use molasses to produce feed because it gives feed aroma, good smell. So we add molasses to their feed also. We use it in production of feed also for customers. So if you're a poultry farmer, make use of this molasses or ecoboost, anyone. This is powerful and wonderful for your poultry and livestock animals. Share this video to reach more poultry farmers and give this video a thumb up right away. Support the channel so that God will also support you in your own business also. And make sure you are subscribed to our channel membership. Become a channel member of the particular platform so that you get unlimited access to all our videos and you'll be among the first status subscribers that will get notified. Once video is posted, you will watch the video before somebody who is not a subscriber, who is an ordinary subscriber, will watch it. The network always send this video to you as a channel member first before other people. You always be at first to get the videos. You even, most of the times, you even be the one to give them story of how the video looks like. This is one of the benefits. There are a lot of benefits as channel member. Thank you for watching. Share the videos with more performance. Till the next video is uploaded. For now, till then, bye. You can see 4 weeks broilers on ecoboost. These are 4 weeks. Today make them 4 weeks. You can see their weight. They are heavily weight. You can see how big they are. You can see 4 weeks broilers on a backyard poultry farm. Here they are not enjoying the maximum benefits of biosecurity. They are just for demonstration purpose. You can see upon that they are still doing well. Four weeks broiler on ecoboost. Doing wonderfully well. 4 weeks, just 4 weeks.